FM. Ujidi abijana pe papa.
Hey, ya dia sorry o. What's up?
Adom FM.
Yadi no say bono abra wo show time no a. Sima no be aduasan nan na bapa no nsia eho. Yewi ni say another bakrata na poso but answer na no. Ma min yi wasutre na me fasa nkaiboy entu anim enkenkan etiefo amutie yen e wo tuning app no eso mo fa nchen na say mutimi enya yen e wo app no eso but all the same say utimi download My Joy Online, Adom Online app no for Android device no Google Play Store and Apple App Store no so. Was abet me akan. Ebiem so www.myjoyonline.com www.adomonline.com Obetimi etien live djumadi ahodo ni nyina. Etemo share so sa emfa emai. Well, it's a brand new day, it's a brand new week, it's a brand new month. Don't forget, there are many sides in life, but it is always better to look on the bright side. Enjoy the gift of life today. There's a reason why it is called the present. Always make the most of what you have been given. That's the gift of today. Smile, laugh, dream, hope, believe, persevere, push, plan, keep trying, and never give up. Stay strong. And a penny ever wow. I am Nescafe 3-in-1. And a paya. Unyani sheshe na ubogu ni peduani mwa. Ibia kwa come on. It all starts with a Nescafe. Shannon Suma is a Carrot. And one Ghana Medical Association. A Kabum. Carrots kills 99% of bacteria. Say yes to life. Dole yogurt, More. I need more. Alive soap. Soap can save your life. Use it. McDan Shipping Company Limited. Your total logistics partner. Petrosol. A delightful experience. Holland Life Assurance. We've got you covered. Man, a pencil so ya de apomuden come twetwe ya de bro as always.
Adom FM.
COVID-19 ya yes any anyina anim no eni aba betena. Apomuden ho animdifo e de atu yanim say yade no. Ya ekono. We have to live with it. Intimesre ebusuya. Wash your hands frequently and carefully with soap under running water. Ohoro wonsa asamena isuya etene. Momodia ehuhia papa. Rewash your hands several times a day, especially after touching anything including your phone or laptop. Ode wonsa so phone mu, ode so laptop, we ya ensa ne nam console ne keyboard ne ade so yi. Ma ensa hohoro no enye o habit enye busu ne oban ehuhia papa. Use hand sanitizer when you cannot wash your hands properly. Hand sanitizer mani men ode ye wonsa ho brano ode wonsa so bibia mu nsuo men wa na ode hand sanitizer no ode aye wonsa ho ebo akumumwa wa no. Wash fresh groceries. Akojomo akodija akototo niane niye fresh wo mu no. Bomodi ase udidu fie a hohoro hu yie. Pansana ode beka wano a ode aka wano. Clean and disinfect surfaces such as countertops, door handles, furniture, toys, laptops and mobile phones with alcohol-based disinfectants. Sa so punu mu abie eso ma wadwene koso se brano o de disinfectant, alcohol based disinfectant wo de ebe yiya ho afen so nkunya tables ahodo e wo fie ni ade nyina no momode se brano wo be disinfect laptops, mobile phones sayensa enam so ani enye yankwanso mpo bo homa ode mo obi mo ahwade wo phone so ana laptop no so obi bedi dwuma bi wo so ana bibi enti na ho akohia se brano or the alcohol based disinfectant what be pa mo frano toys no na mo frano toys a mo didi agrofie no eno so hu hia papa za mo frano toy a didi agro no ma so a na pempi no o de ahye nanum enti yema yani enkoho. Yanda Nescafe 3-in-1. It all starts with the Nescafe Nafe Kerex. On the Ghana Medical Association, Kerex kills 99% of bacteria. Say yes to life. Dollar you got more. I need more. Alive soap. Soap can save your life. Use it. McDan Shipping Company Limited, your total logistics partner. Petrosol, a delightful experience. Holland Life Assurance, we've got you covered.
Adom FM.
Everybody said the Democrat no na poso yede bro. Sane sumami. Duraplast, where Duraplast goes, water flows. Erata Motors, for the best car batteries and oil, buy Speed Made batteries and oil from Erata Motors. Now, Ideal Milk, Ghana's favorite milk. Latex Foam, your partner for life. Societe General SG Ghana, the future is you. Agbeve Herbal Center. Wayaresa, ifi. Nimakwa norma. Wabidum biyo kwa dukumi. Atnase. Aso penny.
DJ. Bibi aboko de.
Adom
watad nani da ho. So nim dada say atade de.
As usual.
Na me hwe colors na. Mitimi yellow bi. Ena ase gold kakra wom. Ena me hu green. Green e de brown afra. Ena blue kakra so wom. It wear a coat of many colors. Coat of many colors. We a coat of many colors. You okay the boss anyu no wono kra na ehwan po. My coat of many colors. Dolly Patrick. I want what is here? Which mean you're quite. Nene, and maybe some be. Yeah, one my Christophonia, Gidifo na ma chera di anim.
Kwaku answer na ode o song ministration in Bebano. Mamen kwa humano so na many honorable kojo upon chroma or information minister meneno and cheche and come honorable to me kan me makwaba. Hello, Honorable.
Hello, good morning.
I'm what do you want?
I'm here tomorrow also.
Yegusunga krakra. Honorable, my member, my penny, and ni nothing we are. Yen shenko motocheno as a wadarma.
Mate.
And we are no America cranny. Ya dear ye. Ama yedi nsheso bebre abaya brabum. I dia hoche abreye nyina. Nanso amiada roma isheshe ayedi egu kwam eye adwuma eno nti edumra esese yegu nchise na emra no mu kakra yenye bibia prekope ifre na eko nipa kakra betumi akọ asore ene masalachi yamba schoolfo a woro bewie JHS SHS ni university betumi asan akọ school akọwie won sohwe ye ntotoye ene hihye pa a ebebo teacher fo ene yama ene ho eban misramu bibiamu esese ye koso di seminar ni so ehokoro yensa yen fa sanitizer empepa yensa yen hye mask ifreko nipa mu a yemman kwa endida yentem yendidi yehuni ni endi aduane titru misramu asema make munjintum na mutamechi na momwame na misumintumi mwamo yaire abo yenyina afom enti yenyina mbom yensori mpeja ye eni yemman
ono bato wo ho
me wa say CJ
ye de nyame ase se ye tie mampani we ye bra wo ka twi kakra ewo address no emu but for the purposes of obia ebia no wantimi entie some mampani edi tu dwa no abia wate se wago enhyehyeye a na kakane ye de agu akwan so edi boy ho ban COVID-19 bre mu no obetimi de be sima mienu akomu biom edi aman honorable
CJ that's na menchia Adom FM TF no pay fiti be March finfin be 15th of March and now mampani edi ani ma ifiase tu anamon bia ebo Ghana for e ho ban free COVID-19 yarea abeya yase afana nyina edi apene wo hu na sisa ifiase de bae no yere tabuno to niam bebre so edi kan Ghana borders na nkasa no ya tutum etoso mienu enema hodo na wo fa hodie se obeye e wo Ghana ase ye kwa sori ye komasarati ye ko suku ni ade no bebre wo ha edi tabuno atoto so etoso miensa abreni abrebia so ye tu Ghana fofo se kwan be fa so aboye ho ban dia potoka me friend no personal preventive etiquette no ye ni so na sese yenyesu ye hunu bebre wo yare no ni sune ne ban e wo Ghana memo ha sei esa so ebe ka adwuma hodo a Ghana mpenim for doctor for nurse for sana Ghana for ankasa aboa ma ye bisu ntino nipa sebi ahwe omo nkwa no odi toto nipa enye bi no ho a na odi toto amayaman de no ho a potokasem de friend mortality rate no yɛdeɛ no wɔ fam papa sɛbi nipa baako kora wu a ɛya nso woka nyinaa fo a ɛde toto deɛ ɛkɔ so wɔ wiase nyinaa ho a ɛsan kwan a ɔmampanin ɛsan nyame adom nti akwantu a watu ɛwɔ anasa anamo a watu ɛwɔ kwan ho ne sɛ ne nyinaa so yɛaboa no yɛdeɛ no nipa a ɛhwɛ ɔmo nkwa ɛwɔ fam ɛno no ɔmampanin egyina so ɛma iba bɛdu saa mpɛmpɛn so sɛ baabi a yɛdui yɛtumi epagya tabono no mmaako ebi efi baabi egyina ɛnyɛ sɛ yɛfiti prɛko pɛ aka sɛ bibiara yɛde ato fam nti obiara nyɛ deɛ ɔpɛ daabi baako mmiɛnsa bi a epagya tabono no wɔ so a yɛyie no ɛno na ɛno anadwo ɔmampanin ɛne yɛn edi ho nkɔmmɔ deɛ di kan ɛyɛ sukuu sɛm a na aba so nyɛ no krɛsi ebetumi abie schools ne na sɛ nkwalaa bɛyɛ ɔpepepepe nkono ne akyire po ɛnan bɛ 9.4 million na eco school nyina nko school saa bere de ebetumi ayɛ ne sɛ wɔn mu ana kakra mama kyerɛ wɔn nso hwɛ final year for no sɛ yɛ basic education sɛ yɛ senior high school sɛ yɛ tertiary anaasɛ sɛ yɛ other professional training institutions ne nyina wɔn a ɛwɔ final year na aka wɔn kakra mama kyerɛ wɔn nso hwɛ no yɛyɛ nhyehyɛeɛ na wɔn mo atumi akɔ school akɔtwerɛ wɔn nsɔhwɛ nti fiti bosumi wei mpɛɛ mu 15th of June wɔn bɛnya akwanya na wɔn akɔ school akɔbɔ wɔn ho mmɔden atwerɛ wɔn nsɔhwɛ na wɔn awie nsɔhwɛ na wɔn nso afi school hɔ wɔn mo ɛwɔ form 2 form 1 anaasɛ JHS ne SHS ne university form 1 to 3 anaa first year to third year no wɔn de saa bere yɛntu wɔn ho anamɔ deɛ ebetumi yɛn ne sɛ wɔn a na ɛtwerɛ wɔn nsɔhwɛ na kɔka mu no wɔn na nkɔhwɛ nkyerɛ wɔn nsɔhwɛ wɔn bɛkɔ school no so no aban bɛhwɛ sɛ obi akwala bia teacher bia non teaching staff bia ɛbɛma no mask deɛ ade horo yɛn nsa yi bi ne sanitizers ne adeɛ na aban bɛbɔ ho mmɔden ma ebi so awɔ school mu ɛhɔ kwan a bɛfa so na sɛ mpo no obi ho kɔdodo no wɔ school hɔ a ahwɛ ne ahwɛ no yɛbɛhwɛ na yɛtu saa ɛkwan no ɛwɔ school hɔ ayie yɛntumi nyɛ yie still ne mo wobɛtumi asie wo dɔfo bi a sɛbi wakyea n'ani ahwɛ ban na wadan n'ani ahwɛ ban nipa no first ne yɛse aduonunum sɛ yɛpagya so ɛkɔ ɔha na mmom ɔha no ɛwɔ sɛ obiara din ɛne kwan yɛfa so a yɛhwɛ no a yɛbɛhu no de apɔtɔ ka sɛ meyɛfrɛ no contact details no mogye to hɔ na nkampo sɛ biribi kɔsi a ama contact tracing no ɛmu ayɛ mmerɛ ama doctorfoɔ ɛne nursefoɔ ne mpanimfoɔ a na ɛwɔ hɔ no adwadifoɔ adwumayɛfoɔ public transport ɛne wɔn ma yɛ aban nyima akɛseɛ a mfitiaseɛ no na yɛnka sɛ ɔmo ntena fie koraa nti na saa nsɛm wɔ yɛmfa ɔmo ho ɔmo mpo no yɛsɛ deɛ ɔmo yɛ bia na ɔsɛ ɔmo make sure sɛ biribi ɔmo yɛ bia social distancing nipa ntam nteteɛ no ɛne personal hygiene yɛhohoro yɛn nsa ne ne nkeka ho ne adeɛ no ɔmo bɛhwɛ na wɔn mu ɛdi so yɛ borders no deɛ yakɔ so atom saa bere a yɛkasa na sɛ nipa yi bɛhyia yɛ biribi a saa bere deɛ yɛtumi pagya mu fi aduonunum ekodu ɔha megye sɛ ne tɔfa bom no nsɛm ahodoɔ akɛse ɔmampanin ne yɛdi ho nkɔmmɔ no anadwo no ɛno no
Okay, Honorable, on political activities, also Mampeni kakra. To what extent? Then, because we are in a political season. Then, a bit to me, and then soon I into me, and Honorable
Sabri Nipa Ekodu Bear Oha, a bit to me, Esia, Eddie Juma Bia was so moody. I just said, dear Emra Abrase, won to me, and sɛ nipa no bi hyia wɔ sɛ ho krata obi edin ne ade yɛgye ede to hɔ ansa na yɛtumi akɔ anim so ɔbɛma me kwan ma kan poto kasa na also private burials now with a maximum of 100 persons can continue to be performed. Restaurants providing seated services can operate under appropriate social distancing arrangements and hygiene protocols. Individual non-contact sports can go ahead. Conferences in Siemu, to say workshop, IFRO, political activities, except rallies. Until rallies are nipa dodo baby chabum ye to ye him yes and no de sabre into me. But say you be in political meeting, emro nipa oha, IFRO emro nipa oha. Conferences in Siemu, workshops emro nipa oha, sabre de utumi a yehoju. But here say phone na no mudin ne wo ma kwan be fa so nya on the friend contact details no obetini na egu ho ansana you be make sure so say obi a hye mask e wo saa nhyiemu na se na ebi so no nipa ntem ntete social distancing no eno so akoso ho.
Okay, but my son said di ho ebeye what informed that decision 100 people bet me Asia, especially in churches for 1 hour. At the end of the day, I'm going to call you more arrive at this decision.
Edika no sene America no yare ni sunu ne ban ne sene dead you Ghana ha no na me di kan kire wo no different dynamics of the virus no se ye hu Ghana ha se eto so mi no yare no de boa ma etre ne se nipa dodo ebehiem se bi obi ammo no ho ban se nipa ehiem no ye teso na ye mo obi abɔ no ho ban na mpo yenimu bi a wo ho a ene me bi ho a ehun ko hia se yebekɔ so ya brɛ sa eniema no ano ana yebekɔ so ya bra no enti sa nhyiemu nyina ye kan wasemi se ye nipa ebidu ɔha na obi a hyɛ ne mask na obi a tete ne ntem ya kyerɛkyerɛ obi a din ensuo ne sanitizer wɔ ho a ye use a kasa eniema we nyina nka deda nyina ye deda no ebetumi akɔso ayɛ wɔ abra ye bɔ ye nyina ye ho ban adwuma ye nyina sije ye hwɛ no sɛ ye bema ekwan adantem na ye bɔ obi a ho ban na nso no nyenye sɛ yare ni ntene ya stop obi a ma ne nye ne bibia protocol se friend of balance the balance na ye strike na ne man ya kwanya me yetumi ka sɛ de ebetumi akɔ ne makodo ɔha na mmom ɔha no obi a hyɛ mask obi a din ne ye hwɛ na sɛ ne bi ho no ya tro ipa ntemu ntete ye hwɛ edi so ansa na nsuo ne sanitizer be use ni adeni na o ye ne saa de a eni say konya problem.
Okay, but honorable and so be wo hono a wo mo a bigger auditorium e bi fa be 2000 and 3000 members so am timi yan hyehyeye say oh ye betimi aye sitting arrangement ma afa nipa be 500 of course that's feasible am timi kwaso sa
there be untumi kwaso sa. And then enumerate Minister for Chieftaincy and Religious Affairs or Beba Beka or special press briefing and then enumerate on Son Yabeyamano our Ministry of Information or church but answer no besa and pon mamin kind of plain and pay as and sorry ni Masarachini and Shimua a person any seni pano bro oha. In fact, Oba Forma I say minimum 25% capacity nipa attitude and say if you no I will say nipa bi e wo bi an 1 meter eda omonsem say 1 meter da omonsem ana say eda omontem na omotena say with social distancing na ye adwuma na eni say nipa no bro 100 nti say wo de wo ye 1 meter na nipa ne 30 aso wo ye 1 meter nipa ne 40 aso but so what sorry dan no so saying na ye 1 meter na edu 100 aso utumi pa bi nka utumi ya sorry for next time ye tosu mi no ye say ye person nipa no be share mask no ache mask no wo kan ho guidelines and person nipa no be share mask no ache eno nti no wo ye program na obi a share mask aba no the way I be make sure say nipa no share mask no nche exposure no nche and say bro don hwere ba ko.
Enforcement, idea I am particularly concerned about because even during the restrictions, we had pockets of reports. Yes, in the 50, and so people are naturally. I mean, mechanically aswading. Nipa aswading naturally. When I so I enforce say 100. Yadiso 1 hour yapon Sanjay.
CJ dedi kan say yen sorry ye Masarachi bebia fan say management na e washroom sorry bia be ko sorry penny or bi council ye wo church pastoral council deacon for ni ikeka wa asese ni na wa sorry dem nti sorry no do na wo good management systems and one number 2 if you do a matter of responsibility nti say yene nsori ahodo adi nkomo abesin konya enya asem no ne poma sibre se yebetumi ama nipa oha emro don hwere ba ko bia ehye maska ye adwuma nsori no no yedi kan de yani edan om so mbehwe na ono wadi so Nemo masori bia ye inspectors ni oma any DX no se ne ye no market ni ade no hwe no ya bi hu se unni so no e be close down sorry no
Honorable Sisu bi o mame se sorry a omo andi so no muso mo be den honorable
e be close down sorry no
mo be close down sorry no
sa pepepe
se me kaya
enya sorry nko a inhie ana obi a sabre a ye ma konya se ye inhie mu bia obeye wagin se wunni dia ye ka no so no e wona police for the authorities na kan ba be close you down e no so ye close you down kan se dey nyina emrada e bi mo akoda prison because of sansem ya board mu ka because of sansem ti hia se obeye aswodin the hia ne say ya ka se nipa 100 and don hwe ba kwa wo do tumi 5 or 6 services but making sure say each one no more di mo hu ne di man so nya sa dia police for the pen for ba be closing down so aso twen bia wo ho say the man no emrada ho sabre
okay what are my kwan ye faso ya sorry meme ye Kristo ni ntima me mfa ye de no nya example sachaye bia bam say ye to nwom yes chiahunu ansem na ka kire ne sem akwa aba me hu asori achepa
no de TJ eno de me ma won kwanim kra ye di kan ka say ye tiechia yensem it stands to reason says so for be anim say sabre na ye ba ye tiechia yensem eno ye one from a two nya fi ye be from family ho ba be mbam ye ho ama ye ho case of life no kika ho asore dem because sabre ya can say social distancing ya identity into me nyesa na mani na ye mpese nipa ebeye niema ebe manipa no tesu akwakogu baby foforo nti niema ye wa sorry e manipa no tesu kokogu obi so ana bibi wanka se wo she mask obviously say nka se betiem na betoto nyum beye niema ebe manipa anu tesu ebeko different level some level of reasonableness ebebem e wa bra ye ka e ho asemi ansa na sorry na nkasa so ye ka se abridged service bebe 1 hour enti wanka so obi hu sen niema wonyema emma yare no ana nipa no tesu ni nipa ho abemben enkosoro eno ni niema sorry ni ade nyina ye hweso se on bedi so sabre
na just honorable enyum to nya dia for now to me no more encourage because ye to nyum kwafo ye group or platform no so kwafo be 60 one more group e stage so man enyum ansa na so for aba ade nyamesem no aba eno ti sen
bibia we ya wa nkasa sebe ya sofo ni ade no omtuma bobe kaka wa hwa niema bema nipa no tesu ni ade akwachire ni nipa ni na hye mask wa sorry dem ba ekere obibi se niema bema nipa no tesu ni ade akwachire no o se sa niema ni na no ye bra no
including enyum to no
na make sure say bibi biara ye chiechia yensem ye funfam bo niema bema nipa ho abemben ana nipa no tesu akọ obi nchen no sa niema ni na o se bra no
honorable one area ye Sunday school nkwara no enkwara ye ba be kwa asori yom di achi ye de wom kọ sabe ye mpanifo no ye wo main auditorium no wom so de o say ye wom wom enhyehyɛ no te sen for ye mai
memfa won kọ de nti a schools yes final year for nkwana enko because nkwala no bebre social distancing be den ama nkwala me nkwala wo fi si wo ka se jai no fi ase trance no sorry enti ye ya nim se ne nkwala ate eno nti na ba schools on yes final year for pena enkonko tro mo sorry se sua bibi fi ehomu a wotunu se nya sabre na Sunday school nkwala ebenya akwanya se wono mo akọ ne na ma ho because omo ndi oka bibia iti ne be den nti anu se nya de a ye be encourage se wono mo hwe na omonye
eti no Sunday school for now
sabre de Sunday school nya de a ye be encourage
honorable madam asina on a more lighter note me jaw kwan omampani entuma enra wo share the Begina TV so ye ne e be kasae ayembia unim ni din de
I was going to be sir.
Because near Martin say, dear and a down to man, so you're near Moody and woman didn't call the Acano, you're born by.
I was going to be sir.
All of us in your fancy. Colonel Kroma as the information minister, and I'm in no Archie and Comono. Adom 106.3 FM. Mevaku,
CJ. Penny na chiu. Watch. It's in a Sunday school. You paid the say the ultimate Sunday school. And what I don't want to
na a bed then I makwa sorry. Nimeja meufi.
And yes, I was
I won't. Say, asɔre no nke yɛhwɛ nkwadaa no kora na yɛma ɔmo kɛse no because ɔmo na yɛde asɛm no tete ɔmo afiri mfitiaseɛ na ɛyɛ dɛn na mɛmekɔ na megya ne ofie ɛnto sɛgye mesan wɔ problem sɛ me a mekɔ panimu no fine social distancing mehunu so mɛyɛ na meba na sɛ bia nyame amoa ne sɛ mekɔtete ɛnyɛ nkwadaa yɛ anamsa
no nso wɔ hɔ na wo sɛ nkwadaa no sɛdeɛ na yɛn nyinaa yɛka ho asɛm no nkwadaa no ɔmo po a ɛyɛ kakra eti sɛdeɛ ɛbɛyɛ a ɛnkɔgye nsɛm nti ɔmo ntena fie eti wo awofoɔ no kɔ na akosua John 3:16 Psalm 23 hwan wobɛfia no wabɛkyerɛ nkwadaa no deɛ ayɛ no deɛ
but ɛho hia nso sɛ yɛbɛma asɔfoɔ no nso bɛhu sɛ wanna no ɛni kwan sɛ yɛdi ba no boro soɔ
wanna
no deɛ sɛ bena no yɛka yɛgu dɛm mu kura yɛahyɛ hɔ
akui
na menim sɔre bi a Sunday school no a yɛma mpanifoɔ ansa na yɛahyɛ som no ankasa ase no dɔnhwere baako
mema sɔre sɛ Sunday school Assemblies of God Sunday school
sɔre bi hɔ no ma opening prayer Bompa ye wo mom nam kwan so ba yetu o mo hye Nyankopɔn sa ene wo mom beto no eno kwa ye wana wa
si je se dia ye no ye bekeka bom ye mo no baako bompa ye ma ye nua no mom nam kwan so ba bompa ye mo yare se ye keka bom ye bompa ye de nua no mom nam kwan so ba hye Nyame nsa wo mo da hospital wo mo ade ne yaka bom ne abo no abom
Sunday school na wo kan CJ ye betumi ayida baako se de kwa Sunday school eno no nko ye ayida baako ye de kwa Bible studies eno no nko ye yida baako se we de ba so ne enyi bi mfiri mu mfa nkwahyehyɛ mea
kwaku de denten se e wose yetimi yi bi firi mu ye yi bi firi mu de a enema no be because they say we are not in normal times it's wose yi bi firi na say Sunday school party say me ma sorry Assemblies of God Sunday school yentimi
mona mo Sunday school ana wa no ayo
unmadia me kwa sorry mehwere pa metia bonsam so ati me wuri ma kwa sorry metia bonsam so praise aba me wuri ma kwa sorry metia bonsam so oyiwalele na
but abere obetimi ahim but sije won say me hunu say 1 hour ye betumi because assembly say ye program bia time for worship ne sa ne manya yetimi ka bom
me him no social distance ne ha me who say normally say
most of betwen amobi akosa aba na akọ
da bi say
ananya sanso sije okay enye possible say because of social distancing no akonya no ntamo atete enti ebo president obetimi agina ba bia wa no ahwihwiri ade we mu bua na
enye
ade so kwa ni mu honko a oh da bi ko
enye de okwa asori awon tansa
me da bi me sa na mu masa no me di free me seat na me te so no na ma fa ntem won maba na ma fa ntem won maba dako na abon se bia
tansi abonten unsi dwom
tansi
dwom on be ne kona
ba se no enkonya ni atete ntem tu tumi agina ba bia wona ahwira akosoro aye de opeso na after all enwum na nkasa sa na ise ye to ma
na akue ye ka CJ ye na watchina wie ye na o manfo di nkomo ebisa se ti aje bia ye bia nsore na on be kwa na on se o monko di asofu mo mo za o manfo
well okwa Facebook a obetimi do adwenche e dia ba Adom 106.3 FM e Facebook for adwenche to ho no na so send me WhatsApp message 055-674-8025 055-674-8025 WhatsApp na afi yajebre na yakenkan de ama kwaku ma memmo enra mampanin no kasaye na nyokafa ansore a ye ba bebie ma membo no na afi mi a yenyanti ase ni na yemfa twetwe enkomo.
A consensus has emerged from these consultations that we should embark on a strategic, controlled, progressive, safe easing of restriction to get our lives and economy back to normal. I'm now in a position to outline the roadmap for easing safely the restrictions. Ours is going to be a phased approach involving a selected list of public gatherings based on their risk profile, socioeconomic impact, and most importantly, our capacity to enforce and to respond in the event of a flare-up in our number of infections. Fellow Ghanaians, with effect from Friday, 5th June, we will begin stage 1 of the process of easing restrictions. An abridged format for religious services can commence. 25% attendance with a maximum number of 100 congregants, can worship at a time in church or at the mosque, with a mandatory 1 meter rule of social distancing between congregants.
Well,
it's in Chimuna na penyin ne de aba no. Nana ekuye kan asem bi. Watwema adwuna ti asem bi so pa. Amanfo so na mampanyin say etumi ayie. Eni kwan say bro nipa 100. Eti se mubodwa na se ketefo ni gum
dwabonim.
Ehọ na amanfo adwene nko.
Dwabonim.
Yese wo pese okosie ufuna. Nipa opese ono omo ya pesire. Ede siefunu ni nyina no. Kosie funu.
Na se private barrier.
Yes, private barrier.
Yankase sipuno François Bodi adakasi
ho. Yankase kotena park so kofa ketefo ene adoafo
na
live man. But yese private barrier. Private barrier no kura no kai ya we apesire bi anim no anse mo yifunu na homache na mo de abeso na ye.
Dabi we apesire ni mo. Private barrier. Dabi apesire ni.
Pesire bi anim.
Dabi.
Tu ahomache na mo de emu na besi wo. Na ayi amamre ni ade o se mo ye ema ayi emu no na mo wi mu ya eno kura no ahwe nipa 100 kura mo do so. So private barrier.
So na say 25 for mo ye ne kama.
Private barrier kura nke nipa 100 mo do so.
Me call ayi Lashibi funeral home say me call home say mo ye bi ye ayi nua presega ne ma me eto ye say wo mo ye ne kama wa say nipa no kakra bi no kura no ese kan sheda ma
anti wo so e wo se Ghana 40 years say yenka asa wo betumi ayeye
untimi nya yi
ne mom odihye bi efiri mu na se bia opese okosie no dia ene obetimi di nipa wo ha na mo aye na mo ba no abeta na mo de aye na sheda
enya afa ne di speakers be so ye wayem dabi untimi nya.
Well, ma yani Ora Enoch Kwesi Jetua, or your National Executive Director, Ghana National Council of Private Schools. Yanino Entretien and Como. Roger to me come Wakwaba.
Yeah, Ejo Penny.
So when you dear, Penny.
No pay me the deal, I can't get it.
Mamma and Ram Penny near Waka Fa Quanya. Ye faso ebie school na fi bia magina so no watwetwe nkomo wadaroma.
From Monday 15th June, the decision has been taken after engagement with the teacher unions, whose cooperation I salute, to reopen schools and universities to allow for final year junior high, senior high, and university students to resume classes ahead of the conduct of their respective exit examinations. Indeed, final year university students are to report to their universities on 15th June. Final year senior high school SHS3 students, together with SHS2 Go Track students, on 22nd June. And final year junior high school JHS3 students on 29th June. JHS3 classes will comprise a maximum of 30 students. SHS classes a maximum of 25 students, and university lectures would take place with half the class sizes. Again, prior to the opening of schools and universities, the Ministry of Education and the heads of public and private educational institutions will fumigate and disinfect their institutions. Each student, teacher, and non-teaching staff will be provided with reusable face masks by the Ministry of Education. With the avoidance of doubt, all other educational facilities, private and public, for non-final year students will remain closed.
Ready to new restriction and new directives Mojan is saying as a council.
Yo, my mentia will know what you for no opinion and I'm a mama jumapa. Kwaya mo faso ye adwuma na Nyankopon hira mo pa mfi se no anadwo kra mo ma ye ne mo kasa na mi nyina akire se ensem a ye kan o mampanyini etie directives a wodi abai ye gitum efeso na ye nyina ye bebo eho chidom ama nhihye ya o mampanyini di agu akwan so se betumi aboa ama oman Ghana afa ne ntuma paifra ewo bra COVID-19 aba na yentimi nya no aduro na nso ye dada adwumadi e bekoso no yetimi akonkan ewum Enonti Ghana National Council of Private Schools mpeni for nyina gye saa nsɛm yi mu ne members wɔ my Ghana nyina mu gye nsɛm tum ne de bɛyɛ adwuma na wonu ama menkyerɛ asɛm kakra bi mu wɔ ha on sɛ ebra na yɛyɛ debate ɛwɔ saa nsɛm yi ho yi yɛn council no ɛka nsɛm bi a ɛnura yɛgyidi yɛ sɛ ɔmampanyini ɛka ho asɛm sɛ ɛsɛsɛ nyinaa yɛgye tum sɛ yare a aba no aba bɛsi nkonnwa na wabɛgye na akonnwa a ɔte so ɔman Ghana na mmom na ɛsɛ sɛ yɛn mmom a yɛyɛ te asemanfoɔ no na sɛ Ghanafoɔ no yɛgye tum wɔ saa kwan no so na yɛhu kwampa ɛbɛfa so ɛne yare no ɛbɛtena ɛnura ɔmampanyini si so dua na ɛno na akɔba ne sɛ yɛne yare no ɔtena deɛ a ɛne ɛne nyansa kwan mu ɛne nimdeɛ kwan mu na sɛ abɔdeɛ nyansa pɛ kwan mu kwan bɛn ne yɛbɛfa so a ɛne yare yi bɛtena ɛnkɔnkɔyɛ ne sɛ yare ne momu bɛdi yɛn so na mmom nyansa mu ne ne bɛtena wɔ kwan so a ɛbɛboa ama yɛn so yɛdaadaa dwumadi a ɛsɛ sɛ yɛnya as nipa dasani ɛwɔ man Ghana mu no nso so akɔ so.
Well, mentimi hu the number of final year students say ka say omo kwa akotwere momo ye council for private schools e bia betimi aboa ye kakra but enhyehyɛ na pɛ me no record on ponkro makasa kyerɛ sɛ wantimi endin hyehyɛ no so a wo school ana sɛ asɔre no ye betum and that is a warning. I don't know how you are going to enforce these laid down principles abino edi egu. I don't know if it's going to be a challenge to you as a council. Roger Tia.
Oh, minia enye challenge ba kokora ema yen. Isan say wo hwe yen ahoboa na edi egu akwan so na. So mampanyini bie memfa ne say two department na AJHS no any primary department ne kura nka private schools ni nya saa o ha no. Na esi ati ase ne say facilities what private schools mu no ekonkan na WHO for also edikan edinkrata abrayena I stated the 4 cardinal points of education se pese be school a niema bi a yemfa ntoto akwan so me gidi se menemo ahye ewo mokasa fidie so na so be boa tiefo ntini mintimu bi omo kire se yemfa bebi a friend no say distances emra so obi pese obi school na mofra no ntemo ntete ye toso bi mo nso ne say yenhwe se nsuo samna ede hohoro yensa eye niema eye akade e wo school mu ho nipa omo ba no nso so yenhwe se de bia no on body mass index and also mo temperature ye take ye be your records e kire se ne ho ye hye and also ne ho ayunwunu abro so ana nso nso so baby a mofra no wo no ese se ehwe se mfra mapa eye den efa ho sabre ya mampanyini ayi sa restriction wagu mu kakra na wa call for final year students no yenyina yenim se obekọ school ba kom dan school ba kokora a wonie no o dampon ahoro be enson anase nwotwe enti sa school no se mofra no ye aduowotwe ohwe the range na school bi ho ye aduowotwe ye final year for no bi nso ye aduonum ebi aduosia eba ne sa number of the classes no ye best split no ne anya ne mienu anase anya ne miensa na a teacher for omo wo ho no o mahwe ene mofra na ayeden aye restrictions awodi abaye mu bia ni ho a ibenya challenges ewom na ne ewom ne se nyame boa okuada eni the Ministry of Education ewom putupu nhia mu a ye kochia na yakototo saa directives yesa de nchini akoton ne atentene no sebe ya ebetimi akoye nsuku sahoro mu nyina na ebetimi issue circulars diama schools ni nyina fumigations processes ni nyina no so nyame boa okuada yekwa yebedwen ho responsibilities as proprietor for no ebe say bia as say omo support to aban asene say aban so yema omo ni nyina no yebehunu ne atoto ba bia akwa kodure say we ye asobracha yen kra ye council no yem pene say school bi be ye asobracha no akwa ye bibi a eye eniamo ho yem fa ne say school no numbers ne ye 40 na we say 40 ni 30 there emo ben ntia ne ma me inform mo mfe so e ba ne sa ye mpene san se mofra no enkan ko ne wo mo nkwa ehu hia ana o madusua nso so ehu hia eno ntia e be bo aban ne chidom e wa akwani asa nyina so se de Ministry of Information aka no na education in particular especially private education there bibia no ye di so ama bibia akọ ne sese eko.
Okay, but currently WAEC Wama has suspended examinations indefinitely. Is that correct, Rajitwa?
Yes, it's correct. But or more as countries are a true WAEC no exams no ubia yenyina almost common platforms no ubia edin input to urban no ye bra WAEC no entimi amfra bonti ama me suspend ye bra countries nature says or more restriction no ano mu hu says so mo so mo de krata eba enti ebreya government you know easy some of the restrictions na other countries take Cote d'Ivoire mo so easy no definitely there will be some record of table on the new timetable by then ebeba.
Okay, enti sankura you want best school na say fiance number be train the lifting of suspension now why ke dia ba no and it is saying that is the on be den school for how long?
Say no enye say bia omo ba betra wo say we try e control exams nti bia yesua de omo ba be sua de on say na ansa na omo ba betra exams no omo wo some few weeks no monthly encover especially who share BEC crowd internally planned into Ghana Education Service omo no the implementing body for public education can write to WAEC say omo be school for the final years into omo timetable. They will give them the timetable. WAEC no na other subordinate countries and also eka ho bi. But Mofra no best school say omo ba be ye bibi e friend no say roll over akọ niema na omo refi so niema na ese nkomo nsa eka so omo nsa akeka ni nyina na omo abeya ho boa esi peye nti omo kọ isnanim so omo kọ akọtro nso he na ankwa ankofa chimato bi anye den ama.
I'm afraid best school wom ya de hihye gu akwan so eso omo share nose mask ese omo use sanitizer hohoro omo ensa sanya men mone omampani nkita hudie mu why necessary wato sanya man no awofo na eso omoto nose mask ne sanitizer ne ma omo ma no ana so school for na eso omoto
anza mampani kan say reusable na say nose mask no obetime use no disinfectant no what say use nhihye yemo no say aban no na this nose mask no ebemayen na ye di ama schools for no enyina ana afi so nia etoso bie mu enyina nso ne say ebetimi aboa yen ama ye hunu nipa dodo a omo ewo ho enu nti ya shaase a ye gi data ye hu nipa dodo omo from private schools bibia nso nsi ho kwan say wo ye owofo na wo ba eco school na ni nose mask wo to bi dia eden ama no enye wo ha obia emfa ho enyina ne enti ase we are not in a normal time dinyema bia eye akwansidie bia na sese nyina yesom netimi boa ma ekon no eko inim say COVID-19 ya ebaye economically no enya the greatest impact on our economic aspect in as a nation. It is the can nyina ekoto mampanyini so anaso mampanyini so nyina so the can no ebeto awofo so a ebekwa akoye you know kese aba enu nti o mampanyini no beye na afamu de na say aban no beye na afamu de na ankrankre say awofo a teacher for school ra no mfo nso so ayo no so famu de na etimi aboa ama yare no ko aye kon no etumi akofom.
Right, so no asini fancy ya.
That's a pie. I mean, Shram.
And Kwesi Jetua is the National Executive Director, Ghana National Council of Private Schools. And no actually and Conmamento Matuchen Sunamene, Dr. Dennis Edujesi, Okasa Edema Association of Medical Lab Scientists. Doc, Memo Akwaba. Hello, Doc.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Memo Ase.
Bacha Major Super.
I'm on the one here.
Yes, Adom.
Well, before the easing of restrictions, Modi Niama Bakumi Nubi Etulja precisely on Mampeni anim say Niama bi wo ho say woye empa ansana wadwene ho say obe easy sa restrictions here enra we fiase e2 sa na mo as an association mo je ne saying
yo me that's it na mo tia for Ghana Association of Medical Laboratory Scientists COVID-19 since I'm sure no ya bo abaya say yemye testing centers. Yemye testing centers. Well, Abani Senate, or they are free to a cotton or say enough, which I think is not the case because in one of his addresses, now your machine be a friend of gene expert, you have TB, Obi bought in Samanwa, they testing that machine, you know, with media COVID-19 test, so Rona, and it could be out the samples, no over crack, no, or lab, and sun wire, no man. I run a globe box. Yes, I near my way there. Then almost 135 of the facilities. Everything has tested COVID-19. Our results are the bar montano. I said you won't know good cases here, public health. And I say, oh, but we are be economy. And in one of his addresses, he had given the assurance that about 100 of such facilities were going to be put in place. Everything the ISR tested. They still left. And what you know, yeah, the release by and some be asking about out kai abai say that the area more than Ankaye. And now the a cat we are at the bar say easy restrictions are. And Kayen yes, sir, near my main testing. And yes, sir, the CIA be Museno. Trust me, sir, our figures are going to go high. Nipa Ombenya infections, unless they are really hot here. Now, Yariano also the Yahu. Yahu say, the big Abagana higher test here positive, yeah. With the epidemiology of the virus, name a whole sense, and shouldn't a bino. But there is no doubt about that. The TSA mortality. Nipa in Yarena, a Wufrimuno, Asia. And you know, we can do a trade off, say, a sudden, you know, say, be a Kakredi, Ukraina, the donor. Economic life and everything can go back to normal. It's always been a trade-off for public health. Any problem. But what we are saying is that pressure about that health facilities. They will be and say Obina COVID-19. They say isolation centers on the isolation centers on the hit. Their labs are a one down ahead now, even those at the regional hospital level. Most of the facilities of which they handle samples from COVID-19 patients. It's the one here, and now it's the say lab for every COVID-19 samples. The most lab to biosafety level 2. Hence, the COVID-19 sample. In that case, you know, who names said they are all bano or Obiana only been malaria tester ultimately COVID-19 in our current state of the laboratories, you know, what will happen is that we can't even do it because you need me pana all but they won't test data. The suspected people, the urine, the stool, liver function test, kidney function test, all these things are to be handled under a particular condition. For more at least the regional hospitals cry. That there was here a test in COVID-19 patients that they are referred a cost process. They have found sample Hakrana, here the local regional hospital, they are results to bar after year they are held. But they are near that DNA, that they are close to labs because they've been exposed, they've been contaminated. No, but also they are for a lot of infections. And for us, that is not proper. It's one here, Pablo Chano. Lab Wobeka said, the one to me, I guess I never win. Now, so, and Brano, she said, the labor law, where she said, there is an obvious exposure to risk. There was a Jumano. The Area now is the assessment now. The Ghana Association of Medical Laboratory Sciences is unlikely. Here, about the two guys say, the picture near Manumundi level that our lives are at risk. We better stay up.
Last release 29th May. Now, point number 5, a policy direction, especially concerning medical laboratory practice, should be given to ensure the investment in the health sector promised by the president in his previous address do not go waste, as the sector has been neglected over the years, as alluded by the president of Ghana. This very concern, mitimi hu se enra all through omanpani address no afei wa address amamu amenti yebetimi easy restrictions no ana saying
but there's not been any policy direction In fact, the amount of the lab for our Ghana Hanum, Yako strike our national health laboratory policy, we are called 2 times. We have agitated and done several discussions on it. The policy ne and we are a COVID by the papa bupa a no Gucci than was a oil test am I. By now, can also no Gucci research who are poor soup, the buying, said the air hard drain, how it's affecting our life, how we have to control certain things, how we have to manage certain things, how research mandate, oh my guy, and a pressure near the actual no testing. You know, Gucci labs in the BBR and what done the testing center. Ghana Health Service, was a amount for whole by none of our laboratories when the pandemic broke could handle this particular infection and pandemic. None of us. So say actually that the National Health Public Health Reference Lab account. And the policy when US abide by year assessment 2007, 2008, it will say there were problems in our laboratory system. And the annual to create year at the hard thing. Ebo kabe $1.5 million at the consultants by a stakeholder meeting. The year be up to 2013. Sherry Aite or sign here. And get them to 2 years to Aquama. It's targeting about 12 areas of the lab services, health financing, infrastructure, personnel, and everything. The management of laboratories, why the bit near head of a lab, and the quiet and talk between the lab scientists and the physicians, a doctor for a lab for head. And we said that it won't happen. This alone, in our view, shouldn't hold a policy which has a national interest and public good. If you bet my institute policy, they who say lapses or the headship, then that one can be placed on hold. While the others don't suffer. And by now, not less than 20 year assessment. And the policy from 2013 year to be seen now. And not less than 20 of our health facilities should have been capable in handling pandemic way and kebai. Kenya no good in the cases are research institutions. And anka mandate in more medical laboratory testing or more pressure. No wonder we have solved the challenges. But we say kudos to them because they were able to salvage the situation. But because we neglected the system, which the president alluded and actually agreed to it in one of his addresses. And the air says, yeah, just to say, yeah, near to at the Ministry of Health. They are near to Manga said, referral systems will keep suffering. Obama said, was a area who go to what was also idea with the good case, Kolebua, and 37. There was a one our car now the cover. But as our policy, but the structure is in such a way that not to allow for the power sample. There is a process to get it to Kolebu. Go and do the test. The results will come back to Dodowa for you to be seen. But the Payana or Yadana or Gubuno, there was to say, or sorry, no, could lie, or Kolebu. They are them. This is a bad structure. The biosafety structures are here. The policy would have addressed it. There is a way to address it over there. So that the development of the lab is not left to the discretion of individuals. Where the upper lab of what the upper lab of what the MCDA say our club, the upper lab of what them on crying MCDA. So these are the challenges that are there. President de Shebo 88 facilities or the building center for infectious disease and that. The lab has always been an afterthought. Yet the super they will put the ecosystem facilities we are. Trust me that the facilities will come. Our diagnostic centers in Ghana will be as poor as we are now. And we wouldn't solve a problem just by erecting 88 buildings and 3 CDC centers. And you know, the air can say, moving forward, say, of the passe, avoid these set things. Now, professional, we want to restrict ourselves to just some few. They have neglected all the others. We will come back and the ever view after Corona. And start by any address that should be mad. Corona ever who say, hey, I was here in a year. But the scientists are just making proposals. Say, the next pandemic and the next outbreak, which might not take about 100 years to come more. It might be a combination of SARS and Corona. But we infected, and if we don't take care, that disaster will really, really, really be serious for us to handle. We are fighting now. Let's fight it head on and make sure that we come out successful and know that our structures are in good place. As we stand now, trust me, our laboratories are not in position to do anything concerning COVID-19, except the National Health Public Reference Lab in Accra and in Tamale. The Akadia lab will need your budget in handle corona for samples. So we have malaria, so we have urine, so we have the anyway, you are likely to go down with an infection because you don't have the necessary protection in terms of the biosafety level that is available. And sadly, even to the regional level, at least every regional hospital should be able to do that. That is all repair samples alcohol. And that's how the everybody say with the corona they are lab for 80 unless in the isolation center.
Okay, but Dr. Jesse, ukasa imwa hinte say CCIF easy restrictions, the likelihood say numbers no ebe kosoro COVID-19 cases no ebe kosoro. Masem bisane say qualified but unemployed professionals are almost so raise who issue say nka ban no emfa wo meka mo ho na nka adwuma no mo sentimi enso so sa request no say yeka say
yo yenya kwanya in the time ana president Asia health workers anyway no you call Jubilee Koshia president and you the two nanim Yahoo enkrata e kire say Ministry of Health AJ clearance ama allied health for our lab for campus. And also after that, we are currently a president. And a president, Etuma, Minister of Health, or more Modiana, or master process, and Yawano. The new idea is a banter between Ministry of Health and Ministry of Finance. You who said Bibia Akusiaga. Into the air can say, Ministry, no, and more Modia, especially at this moment. You pressure because lab for and a DNA sample collection for contact tracing. But yeah, what's your copper sample? We are lab for any DNA and mining industry, they are 6,000 people. Overcall oil industry, they say. Some component where a lab are every the routine people, the other malaria, the other radio. Upon a number of contact tracing. You see, defeat up the routine setup now. The everybody say, wow, and the corona, but I pay for after the every wow, it be a routine the year in our hospital. Typhoid near the other, and what's the year be only way now. You go and the people are not there because they are in the field doing contact tracing. Why don't we bring these about 1,200 of them? Now, you need a system here a bit deeper. Already, lab standards are in such supply. Yes, our system and the data is clearly available at Ministry of Health. About 2015 or more years census, lab is the most you say patient to lab scientist ratio. Yes, Sakura. And we have a cajon there, and they are cost. In fact, this is not the first time we are asking. We've been asking our releases. Get these to go back to it because they are qualified. They have the license. Allied Health and regulator has given them the clearance. They can work. They are qualified to do that. They are not motivated. I ain't from Mameka working force on MY. So far, the BBA is here, except for the clearance letter, in who's the Minister of Health, Atre, and the Kwakoma Finance. Response to be an entry home by.
I see. Well, we wait and see. Doc, Mamma was in infancy. Dr. Dennis Edujesi, a PRO, Association of Medical Lab Scientists, and at train common.
Na say utie doc asem na ya moabo ye ho yie ansa na ye tie sim eja ye de omo beka na yitie ena minim se mampanyin so de no magu nse ne ni ansa na o beka se Ghana for we na ye beye it say no akoye ensem na akopai mienu me am ya confused
Dabi on say omampani wodi nkomo bebre woni enipa dodo wodi nkomo bebre associations ahodo triso adwene GMA ensori fekue woni nipa bebre di nkomo womo a womo enimde wo nwomasuam ene ade consultation bebre ekoso enti ansa na obeye sanhyehyɛ say yemfamfa and indeed yentumi ntena senka say COVID no ye shut down everything sir.
Okay, I mean come na ya meto anko twhwe no studio ha. Reverend Dr. Frimpong Manson Ghana Pentecostal Council dwem tenani abeka me san homa no so na minipa asumje nka
enka so
but also ho ye de
nyame adom ye pa na so
ye ho ye adom kro ya ne kura anapa de metimi aka ne se akoya ni jesem esan se press before onwum bi ni atete fo hwehwe ni awon nyina ara pay ni awon ani ginan eno na ene abami omampani partially were easy restrictions no nipa 100 don hwere baako asori dem hia dem ye betima kwa kosom moje ne sen doc
yo medase ye de nyame ase pa ye de mampani so asese wadwene ho migi se de bi kana de ne baaye no o ma yeti ase se ni normal terms eno nti ono ankasa kwa na koma hwehwe ase asori betumi esia ne de mpaebo aboa o ma no ti o ka se ye nyense mra ensise de ko eno ne mpani vo so transe o madwene ho enum no de saa nyoma titru miensa aba ya de di kai wearing of face mask and me mind say no face mask no entry the temperature gas so beka ho and observation of social distancing and no na akofa 100 naba no so because I saw them who move so bia ne yon contempt 1 meter said they are corona into travel because it do distance bia it will drop down and and contribute now so you saw them hono you observe enhanced hygienic observation in points and the corner Veronica bucket near Hoho and Sa yet Samana near the sanitizers and Sa tissue paper near Twakin beam Ebuasu. You saw them microphone CWC seats maybe Biano the best issue sanitization after yen chiatia hagi young koya anointing for and could and could deliver and for the microphones and Krofukura, the microphones, the crown would be and the crown if he said 1 hour service per day in your microphones and in Tiamubia was in Soda Cassan a bear 100 do. In Solan Kit one, the bear 50, the bear 20, the bear 10, said the bear, Yalian Kokobi, near multiple services. The Bisa, this a president I hear. Into the Dana said, the media force was it, and so futu amade magana for my
so for na say sesi aye ka say de enwom to ne se na wo kan laying on of hands ne sa ne manema asa ne sa ne ma no ehun hye dan hia for now so for
meji sa ehun hia so yentumi ye the difference between say ehun hia and asa ehun hia to uzi twi no ehun hye dan hia ehun hia pa na so we should restrain. Now I'm nose mask one no watch one and you know what to and I saw na 1 hour pet. Sabri 1 hour na be bompire kakra. Would be a worship, would be a preaching, would be an announcement, would be after to be and to unclear when the bounce on. Now ukoto to yomo consisa, we do preaching no. Now I saw no yeah pon. Into the beer there should be moderation. Empty wound here, but it should be managed. Because we are not in normal times.
So for 1 hour inti ye betimi adi so no don hwere baako kusu na ye share great ye betimi adi so
if there is a will then there is a way ye betimi adi so say ye adwin say be di so a esan say ye say asopa hoyi encha 70 na duru so bejiwa atrema ye ni normal times ye won normal times no bi an say mraman say ye nkodi 1 hour na 2 hours and 10 hours a be and a fashion we are going to make 3 million of 1 hour a year, which means 10 minutes and 15 minutes to be a preachy. Yeah, can order any of the Abros or 20 minutes for preaching into a to me. So already no. So quite and sorry, baby, only 1 hour, almost only any data. They are able to manage. What Ghanaian need to do is to plan, be discipline, be to make this so. Ghanaians are wonderful people. I trust them. At least for crowds, they are very, very orderly. It is just a baby.
Well, I mean, you record your punk Chroma information minister on the bit of Sunday school Quarano. In fact, what kind of potting? So for now, dear, and Kabaya, a who here say, Yademo Franny Bediachi, Abba, sorry, Momoso, so Sunday school because and not be able to me after Womoso. Mitimus on any yard in his alcohol as well.
Many yard, me after a lot of platforms to say. So who are Penica Crow, if you be to my friend Kuala and found and a mapping for or more yari or more money any idea because a process near found you between handle now as time goes on now the president left bands now or increase any account obi be say na any more fraud fear ni obi ahwe omo no sabasa mo fra na be ba and say do mo kugu children service say number 100 you can't wo mo ka ho na you monitor wo since your children service area they should be limited near mpanimfo no never say kwala 5 and 10 bia panini ba ho so bo kwala 50 no a mpanimfo be say 5 near group wo mo 1 hour dey and one be bree ebi tuma manage na mum yie mu pa dey so obi obi ahwe o ma ofie na ne ma to ya emfa o mo ba.
Okay, as a council me give someone so kwan ya ye fa so enforce so directives mo so madwene ho anapedia me ne honorable Kojo Ponkro makasa kasa say asori bia ubebusuo no ye betimi atum you be closed down. But as a council, most of na momba na mutu enforcement.
No my agent. Ye na agent. Yes, shemra na ye dey aka ho. And you see local church bia asori bia omuni implementation and monitoring committee. Ya ombe say nyoma nyina be koso. And you asori bia wa ni so no. Enye council no class say Assemblies of God for be say watum. Say president for be say watum. Na omuni system bia mo so no. Ye so omuni nyina all these things should be put in place before they even begin the service and do the worship. If you know there no negotiation where Nimrano Swa, you better sorry near 2 million so Emra Yasisa Parliament are signed. You better say a such be woman and Robe Faso.
But I'm not asking fancy.
You, Mr. That's it's our
T4. So Reverend Dr. Frimpong Manso as the chairman Ghana Pentecostal Council. And you know, actually and common. Well, a couple of your Facebook comments. Now, sorry. Okay. Omo sharing the door. So Virgin Mensa Chelsea also watching you live from Accra Kerry. And we say good morning, my brother CJ, watching live from Milan. Yao Francis and on so Ediaba Phyllis. I'm quite here. One of you say Otimi Etienne, I want to tune in up and so well, that's fine. Patricia Abba Eshen, good morning, watching you live from Milan. Fadi Ebra, Facebook, Adom 106.3 FM on Facebook. WhatsApp message, my number 055-674-8029. Kobe Stone, Wakumankra Bakwa, Waka, and Sroja, Wane, the mysterious maestro. Kabra?
Kuna or the mysterious
maestro no yes chepa no
mysterious maestro
or mysterious na kan ho
so no oni mo so ja oni mo so ajetum si je dia ba ko no o majatum
ba ko na ya me de kan
si je enti Sunday be kwa so si je
Sunday kwa so
na enso ni bi ho ma pastor no main pastor no ba ko friends ushers be 10 instrumentalists be 15 choristers be 20 100 na so
obi the breakdown be by mama shall see main pastor 1
that's 7 no
associate pastors 4
wow
ushers 10 instrumentalists 7
7 no
choir 13 women's fellowship 30 men's fellowship 18 youth fellowship 15 first time visitors 200
number no a Pentecost fathers dey cancel the grab no yes
Adom Sports page 1
Adom FM 106.3
The concrete of sports, the roofing, the landfill level